Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Folder rules in Outlook state that when folder items arrive to the folder that match a specified rules criteria, they are processed by whatever actions the rule states should occur. You can have multiple rules applied to a single folder. The rules are processed in sequence from top to bottom through the rules list. They can also be modified or deleted if they no longer apply. You can also turn them on or off. To manage folder rules for a public folder in Outlook, if you are the folder's owner or granted the owner permission by the folder's owner, right-click the public folder in the folder pane in Outlook. Then select the Properties command from the pop-up menu that appears to open the Properties dialog box. Then click the General tab if needed. Then click the Folder Assistant button on the General tab. If this button is grayed out or unavailable, you must contact the folder's owner or your network administrator to get the required permission level to set the public folder's rules. Otherwise, in the Folder Assistant dialog box that then opens, click the Add Rule button to open the Edit Rule dialog box, where you can set the condition upon which the rule acts. This can include when the item is from an individual or sent to an individual. In this case, click the appropriate button and then select the correct names. You can check the Sent Directly To and/or Copied CC'd To checkboxes to include those types of items too. You can also specify the subject or message body content that the rule acts upon by typing the content you want the rule to act upon into those text boxes if desired. After creating the rule's trigger, you must then specify what the rule will do when it receives an item in the folder that matches that criteria. You can check either Return to Sender, Delete, Reply With, or Forward. You can select more than one action if desired. In addition, if replying, you must click the Template button and then type the reply in the body of the email message that appears. If you click Forward, you must click the To button to select a recipient. You can also set the format of the forwarded message by using the Method drop-down below that. When finished, click the OK button to create the folder rule. You can repeat this process to add more rules if needed. Notice that the rules appear in the Folder Assistant dialog box with a check in front of them. To turn a rule off, return here and click the check mark to clear the check from the checkbox. To turn it back on, click the same checkbox again. To change the order in which rules are processed, click to select a rule in this dialog box and then click the Move Up and Move Down buttons to the right. Rules are processed from the top downward. To edit a rule, click to select it in the Folder Assistant dialog box and then click the Edit Rule button to reopen the Edit Rule dialog box. Then make your changes and click the OK button. To delete a folder rule, click to select it in the Folder Assistant dialog box and then click the Delete Rule button. Then click Yes in the confirmation dialog box that appears. To apply your rules when finished, simply click the OK button in the Folder Assistant dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.